Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we're resolving a tricky challenge with the latest Windows 0x800F0922 update, specifically the KB5041587 update failure. If you've been stuck like many other users who faced blue screen loops and a failed update, don't worry. I've got a simple solution for you, and now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Start menu and type Services. Right-click on Services and select Run as Administrator. In the Services console, look for the service called App Readiness. Ensure that App Readiness is running. If it isn't, click on Start to run it. Step 2. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. Navigate to System, then Recovery. Find the option labeled Fix Problems with Windows Update and click on Reinstall Now. Check the option Automatically Restart My PC 15 minutes after installation. And when it finishes, click the Restart Now button. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.